Good morning. Homework was sent home with your child last night, so as always, going to try to continue to do these weekly videos to kind of help. This week we are doing our tests, so this is kind of the last practice that they're getting at adding, subtracting, and rounding. But just want to go through a couple problems to help you out, and also the students can use these as a resource as well. So on the first page, it says solve each problem below. You may use any strategy that is efficient for you, but show your work. So let's look at A. It says Tyson and Amanda are jumping rope to raise money for charity. Amanda jumped rope 295 times. Tyson jumped 360 times. How many total times did they jump together? Now, as we look, one of the things that we do with our students is, and I believe I've said this in other ones, is we try to have them, before they even start, highlight the important information. So what we'd want them to do is we want them to highlight 295 times. We'd also want them to highlight 316 times. And the last thing we want to do is we want them to look at that question to figure out what they're wanting to do. We see how many total. So when I hear the word total, I know that I'm going to add. So we ask the students to put a little bit of an add sign there. Now, many of our students are learning and preferring to use the algorithm method, the method that we learned when we were growing up. So I'm going to demonstrate that method right now. So what we would ask the students to do, would write 316, 316 plus 290. Now, one of the things you'll see your students do that it does to help them is we have them draw the lines to keep the different place values. That just helps them to remember to carry and stuff like that, and everything is lined up so they don't make a simple mistake. So we've asked them to do 6 plus 5. Our students would understand that 6 plus 5 is 11. So in the ones place, we would put the 1 down, and we would carry the 10 up from the 11. So 10 or plus 10 plus 90, or 1 plus 1 plus 9 is 110, or 11. So put the 1 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So that would give us 600. So our answer would be 611 jumps. We want our students to get used to putting the labels down so that they understand what's going on. So that's how we want them to do it. Obviously, they may use a different strategy, but I just wanted to show the one that most of our students are using. As always, if you have any questions or your child is really struggling, circle the problem. Don't hesitate to reach out. We'll do anything we can to help. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like below. Thanks.